Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. Before we get into it, let's give this video a thumbs up. If you're new around here, you already know what to do. So AMC, it's over, guys. It's definitely over. A lot of people that was expecting the $1 AMC, $2 AMC, $5 AMC, guys, I don't believe we'll be getting that, guys. Not before this big run that is about to happen. I don't know what's going to happen after we peak and run up. I ain't speaking for that. I'm speaking as of now. The price action now, what we're about to do now. So let's not talk about what's going to happen after we do what we're about to do. We ain't worried about that. We worried about what we're about to do now. And I hope you guys is positioning yourself for the ones that's always crying, always panicking, the ones that placed too much money on AMC and, you know, didn't play this correctly, how you should have played it. Then you the one that most definitely need to check yourself once AMC run up 300, 400, 500% again. You need to check yourself. So, you know, everybody need to come up with their own plan. Don't worry about what somebody else's plan is. Worry about and focus on you. Make sure you able to protect your gains and protect yourself once this thing does what it needs to do, guys. So AMC is looking good, guys. We got that takeoff in after hours. Exactly what we wanted, exactly what we was expecting. After breaking a major resistance at $12.50 that we broke through on today, guys, we seen the push above it in after hours. Now we want to most definitely treat that resistance as a form of support. If we do decide to pull back, trade down a little bit, because we know how everybody likes to get FOMO. People only want to rush in once they see real action start to take place. They don't want to take that chance in the red and buy when everyone else is scared. They'll rather wait while everyone else is buying. You know, then they'll start to try and rush in. So of course it's going to be volatility, going to be choppiness, but what we want to see is AMC continue to make higher lows like we've been seeing. We want to see us hold up at support at 1250. We got a few more spots, guys, that we got to break through as we shooting up. Of course, there's no walls after breaking 1250 straight back to the $15, $16 range, but it is going to give us a little bit of hesitation right here at $13.76. I'm pretty sure we'll fly through that as well, as long as the market continue to do what it's doing as well. Our next major key level will be around $15.70-ish, $15.80-ish cents. Once we break through that, guys, we can run straight to the $18 territory. Then we know at 20 and 23, those are next resistant points, and after breaking through 23, we could fly straight back to the 30s. That's when the real major jumps will start to happen, guys. So a lot of people is trying to hurry up and get in at these levels as they see. Get back up here, mama. Watch out for the ants. A lot of people is trying to jump in at these levels as they see it's still cheap, and they see the momentum. They see that it's, you know, it's looking like it's about to reverse. They see all the news, they see the catalyst, they see AMC is doing way better than it was before. Everything's looking good. The fundamental aspects of the company, the price of the company, the squeeze still is able to happen. So everything is, you know, lining up, guys. We even got, you know, big dogs exchanging out Tesla for AMC, and that speaks a lot of volume, guys. Like I told you guys, they got a different plan though than everyone else, and also that's why I say it's all about planning, because these guys that, you know, exchange Tesla, Apple, certain companies like that for AMC, they are just in it for the percentage gain. They in it for a quick flip. AMC go up 300, 400%. These guys are selling out and putting their money back right where it was parked at before. But I heard a comment say, well, that's not good if they just using us to do that, this, that, and the third. You need to be doing the same thing. If you down on AMC, you could have been starting another position, another account, and buying up those cheap shares at $10 and $9, loading up, so you can 3-4x your money and sell out at that point. But hold your AMC in another account. You get what I'm saying? You got to know how to strangle it. That's called a strangle, meaning you trading in one account and you holding in another account. Whenever it's so choppy and it make significant moves to the downside like we seen, and we know it's only going to go back up regardless. Like, where it can go to 5 and 1, but even from there, once it does, people's going to eat it up, and that's just now people going to be able to 20x, 30x their money instead of just 5 and 10x in a short period of time. Because if AMC would have went to $1, you could have easily, you know, that'd have been a 30x for some people, 40x for some people once it went back to 30, 40 bucks if they loaded up at those levels. So they see the opportunity in this, and you got to be able to see it as well, guys. That's why I say once we run back up and get to those levels, don't be, you know, make sure you put yourself in a comfortable position. If you uncomfortable, meaning you got too much in, shave off it a little bit, shave off them shares a little bit and get yourself comfortable, guys, because it's you versus you with this stock market and stuff. Ain't nobody there to tell you when to sell, when to hold, or none of that. It's you versus you, guys. So you already know. Like I say, you know, only the real gonna survive, and the fake, they gonna divide. So let's go ahead and take a look at this, guys, because we called out some bangers as well, and they is doing well in after hours as well, guys. We had some backlash on it. Some people talking about Coinbase. You're gonna waste your money in Coinbase, but hey, Coinbase is up 14% on the day. It's still grinding up in after hours, and we got a huge gap fill. So you already know, do your own research though. Don't just go for what I know. The next banger is Upstart. I told you guys about Upstart. We got in at that at 30, made 1,500 on Friday, made another 1,000 on the day. We ain't lock in the 1,000 though like we did the 1,500, because we planning on making another 1,500 or better. So judging depending how it does tomorrow, I'm looking for Upstart to open up hopefully around $50 plus, and if it does that, I'm definitely selling. You get what I'm saying? I'm going ahead and selling out, and once I sell out, I'm going to buy. Once it panic, I'm going to buy right back and rinse and repeat it again, guys. Hopefully I can sell in the 50s, and then it panic all the way back down to the high 30s in order to re-enter that position, guys, if it does so. So the next banger is Carvana. We had a lot of backlash on Carvana. Carvana is doing well, up over 8-9% today, up 1.4% in after hours. So you already know, guys, like I say, do your own research and due diligence. You most definitely want to be looking at these quality companies that's trading at a great deal right now. You is in a, you know, great position to be acquiring awesome and great companies at a fair price, but you able to get these companies at a great price, guys. So you most definitely want to be taking advantage, and you already know. That's all your boy got for this video. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love you guys. We out, and God bless you. We go.
Mom, go. Oh, Dad. Dad.